To make money over the internet nowadays is quite so simple, as you could now be able to make money doing the exact same thing you used to do before now without making a dime in return. We now have play to earn, which enables you to make money playing games over the internet. We also have work to earn, which enables you to make money from every single move that you make, which is actually the one we want to be discussing in this video. Stay with me. So how can we make money while working? Before I proceed, I would like to take this time to welcome both our returning and new viewers. My name is Emmanuel Jacob, founder, Digital Swap. I want you to smash the like button if you like this content. Hit the subscribe button if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, and click on the bell icon to turn on post notification so you get notified once a new video is up. So now I want to practically show you how to set up your account in order to be able to earn some coins on every single move that you make from now henceforth. Check the description of this video and you are going to see click here to register. So once you click on the link, it's going to take you to this page where you are going to see Emmanuel invites you. So click on accept invite. If you are using an iPhone, it will take you to Apple App Store. Then if you are using an Android phone, it's going to take you to Google Play Store. So click to download this application into your phone, and the next thing you've got to do once you are able to get this application downloaded to your phone is to set up your account in order to be able to make money while you are working. So after you've been able to download this application into your device, you click on open. So once you click on open, once you launch the application, you are going to see sign up with Apple. But if you are using an Android device, you are going to see sign up with Google. So I'm going to, or if you already have an account, you just click on log into my account. So in this case, I'm going to click on sign up with Apple. So signing up with Apple, I'm going to click on continue. Then after clicking on continue, the next thing I have to do is to read through this. Please let me see the total steps your phone detects. So I'm going to click on allow motion and fitness, which is at the bottom of the screen. Click on would like to access your motion and fitness activity. I'm going to click on OK. I'm going to enable health kit. All right, now let me see your work kit data so I can verify your steps are real. So I'm going to click enable. Would you like to access and update your health data? I'm going to click on these steps. Allow Sweetcoin to read. So I allow Sweetcoin to read all my steps henceforth. So I'm going to click on allow. Then the next thing I have to do is, okay, let's read through this. We'll start converting your steps from this particular time. All right, this is actually the current time. All right, would you like to receive push notifications so I can help you progress? Yes, please. Then I'm going to click on allow. So what next should we do? Start working now and grow your balance. I will ping you afterwards with detailed analysis and advice. But I'm going to click on got it. Then I am good to go. That was quite simple. I believe from now on you are going to be earning on every single move that you make. So it simply means you are not going to be working for free any longer. All right, so if you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please do that now and click on the bell icon to turn on post notifications so you get notified once I drop another video. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you are yet to. Just before you go, I like to let you know that we have a Telegram channel where we post crypto related content on regular basis. So if you need updates in things that revolves around cryptocurrency, blockchain, metaverse, GameFi, play to earn and all, don't forget to click on the link in the description, which is going to take you to our Telegram channel. And if you are new to cryptocurrency and most of the things I've discussed so far is sounding so strange to your ears, I want you to take our Crypto Freshers Guide course, which you can find a link in the description of this video. Thank you so much for sticking around. I hope to see you on my next videos. Do have a nice day. Goodbye.